My name is Elvis and welcome to the Golden Drive. If you didn't watch the previous episode, let me just catch you up real quick. So, I'm on a 3,000-mile road trip with a friend of mine. We started in Kentucky and we're driving all the way to Vancouver, Canada, in probably the trio of the sketchiest project cars ever. We have my 1982 Datsun 280ZX. We have my 1972 Jaguar XJ6 with an LS in it, and it's being towed by my Hyundai Genesis with a V8. So we've been driving for about 1,500 miles. We had already been through some very interesting situations. For example, the first thing that happened was the Jag's tires were really low and pretty much I almost died because it didn't have air in the tire and I was towing it with my Genesis. So we stopped to fill it up. Then next, I forgot the gas cap of my Datsun on the back of the Datsun when I was filling it up and drove away. So we had to improvise with the most versatile thing ever created, duct tape. And the Datsun began having a fuel issue.
The gas cap? You did it.
When it got hot, it took a while to start up after we refueled with gas. But everything was still going smoothly up until 1,500 miles into the trip. One of the cars decided to break. Guess which one?
What's going on over here?
The Datsun broke. It was going so fine, and then what did you like? I was having a call, and then I saw like with another person, and then I saw Dylan's call, and then Dylan, what happened?
I was just driving along, started wobbling, saw smoke coming out, so I pulled over, and we have a bearing issue, it appears.
Yep. Looks like it. You guys can see. If you look in there, there's like metal shavings all over the place. So the needle bearings just, I guess, exploded. But I think this might be fixable. Hopefully, don't quote me on that. But I have a spare bearing from when I initially changed the bearings on the car. I have two actually, so hopefully they work. I didn't throw them away. I don't think I threw them away. It's just gonna involve a lot of me digging out stuff that I don't want to dig out now. So, and I need a pair of pliers to like take that out, the cotter pin out, but let's do this. I'm kind of glad the way I see the damage. Frick, ow, fruit, that's hot! I've burnt myself, like 1 degree burn. Oh, crap. Woo. Smoking. What the? I forgot how I changed this, but I'm just trying to clean all the old grease up. I mean, I'm probably not gonna get everything, but I'll get most of it. And then once that's done, I'm going to lube this bad boy up. There's that lubey boy. Gosh, I hate grease. Crap, and I got grease on the rotor, so that's bad. It's to an hour later. I think we got it. Hopefully, I really pray that there's no like random metal shards in places that we didn't clean. And I also really hope that this doesn't blow out again, because I don't know what could have caused this, honestly, but I'm gonna guess it's because of the amount of weight that these steel wheels cause. I'm gonna blame it on the steel wheels, which I kind of knew. People did mention it, that it increases the weight of, I think, unsprung mass or something like that of the whole setup, and so that's probably what caused it, plus the extra weight in the car. I really hope no other wheel bearing goes out, because that would be very bad. But there's probably grease on these calipers, so we probably need to clean it like very well, so you don't slide when you're trying to brake. So I'm trying to go into the grooves and clean all the grease out. Gosh, it's dirty. A few moments later, look at where we are. Oh yes. We were supposed to make it to the Badlands National Park at like 2, but the bearing fixing literally took hours. But it's done, it's golden. They were gonna charge us too much money to go into the park, so we just decided not to get into the park, and so we just took drone shots around the area. So it's the same thing, we came here, that's it. So, so we're gonna try to head to Mount Rushmore maybe, and see, he said it's lit up at night, so we'll see what happens. If it's not, we'll just keep going. But first, we need to get gas. The cars are running great. We've driven for a little bit over 100 miles now. Oh, there's a lot of dirt. That's bad.
Later that same evening.
I'm gonna tap it in and bring it out.
The next day.
This is a disaster. Like, are you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, this has been a disaster. Update for you guys. So, the Datsun broke again. We spent the night trying to fix it again. And then, after that happened, I think that was not enough. So what happened was that the place where the bearing seats got worn in the hub assembly. So it pretty much always vibrating. It needs a new hub assembly. And we tried to check to see if they had one available, but it doesn't look like they do. Like in AutoZone or all the other parts stores. And so we're gonna have to, I don't even know. So right now we had to like drive, we tried to rent a U-Haul. We're like, okay, we're gonna rent a U-Haul in the town where we're at. But they didn't have it. The closest place that they had a U-Haul with a trailer and everything was an hour and a half away in Wyoming. We were in like, was it North Dakota?
South Dakota.
South Dakota. So we had to drive an hour and a half to Wyoming, and then we're driving back an hour and a half, putting the Datsun up. Oh my gosh. This is like, yeah. This is not how either of us thought it was gonna go, but
And it's hailing now.
yeah, it's hailing. So we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. Everything has literally gone wrong. Like everything. For the first 1,000 miles, it was like bliss.
Yeah.
And then everything decided to go wrong. And yeah, I'm honestly, I was telling Dylan, I'm ready. I'm honestly just done with the Datsun. I mean, I'm just ready to sell it. Like for, it's not a lot that needs to be done to it, apart from that hub assembly, which I'm gonna do. But after that happens, honestly, I might get rid of it, because it's just ridiculous having too many project cars at the stage of life that I'm in now. And with finances, and I've spent so much on this move already. So I'm just, yeah, Dylan gets first dibs, but
See if I can make it happen.
oh my gosh.
Oh, now it's done raining.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I know. Yeah. But Wyoming is beautiful though.
Yeah.
Dylan, what are your thoughts so far of the...
Absolutely love the scenery. It'd be nice if we weren't towing cars.
Yep,
if we
and
were
we were-
driving them. But,
We were supposed to go to what? The heads, what are they called? The crap. The
Mount
heads
Rushmore,
with the
Mount
people.
Rushmore,
Mount
yeah.
Rushmore. We were supposed to go to Yellowstone National Park.
Badlands.
Badlands, what else? But the Datsun just kept on messing up. We didn't have enough time and everything. And we're supposed to go to Seattle. And he's supposed to fly out in a day.
Yeah,
So this is just my rant. I feel so bad. But, oh well. We have to get the cars.
We will push forwards and
Yeah.
we'll get it done.
Yep.
Thousands of tears later.
And a few minutes of trial and error later, ta-da, the Datsun is on a trailer. Oh, and also $2,000 later, the Datsun is on a trailer. So I think in the previous video, maybe Dylan recorded it or not, but what we had to do is, after we drove an hour and a half to go pick up this U-Haul, because literally the only available U-Haul was in Wyoming and we're in South Dakota, so we have to drive another state over, pick it up, drive an hour and a half back, and load this thing on. And that money though, oh, 2 G's, literally just for a U-Haul truck. But oh well, sometimes in life. But yeah, now the Datsun is done, and hopefully we can get back on the road, because oh, this is just It's been a tiring day. We've technically not moved a mile in over a day, if that makes sense, because now it's like 6 p.m. and we're still where we were yesterday. So we're gonna keep chugging along. Dylan went to go get some energy drinks or something so we can keep driving. And yeah, this is gonna be great. I'm more excited now than I was yesterday, I'll tell you that. But let us get on the road. Okay, bye. What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. My mic is unplugged, so it might not sound as good normally. But I have some good news. I finally got, like literally 2 days later, I finally got the COVID test this morning, and I am so much less stressed. And we are like 30 minutes from the border, and I am very terrified, but also very excited, nervous. There's a lot of feelings because I've been looking forward to this moment for so long. But I also hope that every paperwork that I did for all these cars and for all my items that I'm also importing / exporting, I hope it is right. So I hope we don't run into any uncertainties or any situations, but we will find out when we get there. But this scenery, glorious. It's so beautiful. But yeah, I will update you guys accordingly. But I'm so pumped. Oh my goodness. I feel so bad that we didn't do what we wanted to do, Dylan and I, because we initially had plans to go through a bunch of national parks, Yellowstone National Park, all of these things, Mount Rushmore, but didn't end up happening because the amazing Datsun decided that it didn't need wheel bearings anymore and decided to spit all of them all over the highway. So yeah. We're gonna keep chugging along.
In a quarter mile at the traffic circle, take the second exit and stay on Washington 542 East.
Thank you. We're gonna keep chugging along and see you guys soon. Bye.
Later that same evening.
And we have crossed the border, people. Oh my gosh, this has been a long time coming. Finally, it was a disaster, but it happened. I'm so thankful to God. Oh my gosh. So I initially had to take the Genesis and the Jag first, and then after which they did a bunch of paperwork that took hours and hours. And if you guys want me to make a video on how to import a car into Canada, let me know, because now I have a lot of experience. Because I imported 3 cars. Like when I told the border people that I was importing 3 cars, they were like, wait, what? How are you driving them? They had so many questions. And then I told them I was a car enthusiast, and they, still thought I was crazy. But I'm so glad and so excited, and I cannot wait to get started in Canada. Yeah. Oh, look at the Jag looking so pretty right there. I apologize for the shaky footage, but I'm holding this with one hand, driving with one hand, and it is very sketchy. But there it is. Oh, don't bump into the Jag, that would be bad. But look at it. Okay, I'll catch you guys later when we get to the house. Power! For like half the journey,
It's real. Touching the Datsun for the first time. It's famous.
Yeah, this still doesn't feel real. I feel like I've been looking forward to this moment for so long, and it's finally here. Yeah. So again, you have the 1972 Jaguar XJ6, the 1982 Datsun 280ZX, 2 years apart. This is actually the first time all the 3 cars are together, and it just feels so surreal. But I'm so thankful that I'm here. Like it's oh my gosh, and I cannot wait to start. Yeah, I probably need to make a. There's pretty much no garage right now, but I probably am going to need to build some garage thingy or buy one of those tents for me to work in, because it is freaking cold out here. I still have a lot of stuff to do. Like I still need to take all of these cars through inspection. Now, the Datsun and the Jag, they don't, I mean, they might still need inspection, but I'm not sure because they're 15 years or older, so they require different laws as a Genesis. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do all of that. And so you guys are gonna take that whole journey with me. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting because I honestly don't think the Datsun is gonna pass inspection. And also since it's been like a week since I've been here that I'm updating you guys, but so far I have gotten a new gas cap, and I have also fixed the, what's it called, this side that the thing was out. You can see now that one is red. So I got a new hub assembly in general. And I've been pretty much almost daily driving the Datsun, even though literally it's been raining every freaking day here. I haven't updated you guys on the Jag for a while, and I was still working on it while I was moving, so there's still like 3 weeks to a month of videos just to catch up on. I think there's like 4 videos, I think. I'm not gonna reveal anything, but hopefully it runs. I'm just gonna so yeah. Okay.
Welcome to Canada.
Yes, so we're excited to continue or to start life here, I guess. Yeah, I was just telling them I literally don't have a garage right now. I mean, there's a lot of buildings all over the place, but I still need to build something or get like one of those tenty boys and just
Auto shelter.
Yeah, I don't know what they're called, but
Auto shelter.
Oh my, and I still need to register all the cars, so I'm still terrified that the Datsun is not going to pass inspection. It's a 15 years or older, so that might make stuff more lenient, but yeah. And then with the Genesis, I need to replace the front windshield and probably install daytime running lights. And with the Jag, it doesn't even drive at the moment, so I don't want to spoil things that I've done. So in the next video, you guys will be seeing videos in the States, but of the Jag, because I did a bunch more work while I was, but I didn't have time pretty much to complete the videos. But yeah, it still feels so weird. It feels weird to have all the cars here. But yeah, how does it feel, babe?
Oh, yeah, it feels good. I mean, I could really care less about the cars. I'm just happy that you're here.
Wow. Okay. Well, that pretty much does it. I'm going back to Kentucky. So next video. Oh my God. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video, and I will catch you guys on the next golden drive. Bye.